We woke up early, the sky was blue, packed our hats and our snacks up too, holding hands in a happy row.
Off we went to the big zoo.
Roar, roar, roar went the lion loud, shaking his mane so big and proud. Swing, swing, swing went the monkey high, leaping and laughing in the sky. Tall, tall went the giraffe so neat, nibbling leaves as a tasty treat.
Stomp, stomp went the elephant slow, with a swishy-swashy trunk below.
Waddle, waddle, penguin slide, splashing in the water wide. Snap, snap, crocodile by the lake, sleeping still like a loggy snake. Peacock, open feathers bright, colors shining in the light. Zebra ran with stripes so black, Clippity-clop on the sandy track. We waved goodbye as the sun went low, to every friend we met at the zoo. Smiles and giggles all the way.
What a fun zoo trip today.